second order derivatives. Okay, in my book the problem starts with x square plus 3x plus 2. Are we fine? Okay, so Neha, quickly narrate me also. Second order derivatives, y is equal to how much beta? X square plus 3x plus 2. Now there are different ways you can do it. Since we are a little bit matured now, we can write it like this: y prime. Y prime means first order derivative. Is it fine? Okay. Y prime can be written as 2x plus 3 and y double prime can be written as 2. That's it, done. Fine. Next question. X to the power 20. Y equal to x to the power 20. Y prime will be 20x 19 and y double prime will be 19 into 2, 38. So it will be 380 x 18. Are you able to decipher this? Okay. Next one, x dot cos x. Y is equal to x dot cos x. Achha, I'm writing y prime. If you want to write it as dy by dx also, all fine. So let's do it like this now. Dy by dx. This is product x into negative sine x plus cos x multiplied by 1. Perfect. Now we have to do second order derivative. d2y by dx2 will be x. Now again this one, x into negative cos x plus sine x. So instead of plus, we have a minus. So this is plus negative sine x multiplied by ddx of x, which is 1, and then we further differentiate this, which is negative sine x. Okay, so your answer finally would be negative x cos x, negative sine x, which is negative x cos x, negative 2 sine x. Did you understand this one, or you want me to break? Okay, ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. X cos x, first derivative, first function differential of second plus second function differential of first. Is this fine? Second order derivative, first function differential of second, ddx of minus sine x is minus cos x, plus second function differential of first. This part is product, na? And then cos x differentiation is negative sine x. If you still want me to break up, I'll break up. Is this clear, or you want me to break up further? I can do it. Don't hide, huh? Are you okay with this? Okay. Copy this and then we do the next. Also put one pen on your answer page and just check the answers. Let me just pull up the curtain so you can expect it. Rain is the fan which is making. Has it tallied? Yeah. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? If you're done with this, tell me the next one. Only log x? Okay. So our next question is y equals to log x. So the first derivative will be 1 upon x. Is it clear? 1 upon x, children, can be also written as x to the power minus 1. Second derivative, minus 1 x to the power minus 2, which is minus 1 by x to the power 2. nx n minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Will you try the next one? X cube log x. Y equals to x cube log x. What do you see here? Product of two functions. Can you help me in this one? What will be y prime equal to? First function into differential of second function plus second function, which is 3x square. Are we fine? This step can be further written as x square plus 3x square log x. Now we have to do one more. आ जाने यहाँ इसको करते हैं y prime double prime. Differential of this will be 2x. This is again a product function. First function into differential of second plus second function into differential of 6x. So shall we clean up everything now? If you clean up everything, this takes away this. So this becomes 3x, 2x, 5x plus how much? 6x log x. Look here, you started with a cube. Differential gave you linear. Square, square to linear. Shall we do the next one? E to the power x. E to the power x. Question. Y equal to e to the power x. And then what do we have? Sine 5x. Acha. This one, let's see. Who will help me? This is here will be product and there will be chain also. Zoe, will you be able to wrap this? Take a shot. We'll take a shot. Okay. So this is a product function. Just look how I'm doing. It's not that difficult. Your first function is the exponential function. Can I write it? Into differential of this. What is ddx of sine x? Cos x. Dd dog of sine dog? Cos dog. Here the dog is 5x. So cos 5x, then you have to d dog of dx also you have to do. ddx of 5x you have to do. 5. So I'm writing this step in elaborate manner. See, this would be into differential. Here I will differentiate it with respect to, here I'll differentiate it with respect to 5x. And this is d sine 5x. And then I have to do d5x dx. So this is just first function into differential of second. We're not yet done. Now we have to do second function into differential of first. Exponential functions are always exponential functions. Okay, na? So let's do it. So my y prime becomes e to the power x cos 5x multiplied by a 5. So I bring the 5 here. And this is e to the power x sine 5x. Perfect. Your job becomes even more difficult in the next step. Now you will open up with 2. Now let's do this verbally. Chal, Neha, try. So 5 remains as 5, right? First function into into differential of second. Sine 5x into 5. Agreed? First function into differential of second plus second function into differential of first. This is over. Again, we have to do this thing for this function again. So if you try to differentiate this, do you want to write it again? It will be this only, right? This function, if you differentiate, is this. So you can just write 5 e to the power x cos 5x plus e to the power x sine 5x. Now let's clean it. All right. So you have a 5 e to the power x cos 5x. You have a 5 e to the power this. And in a e to the power x is in every step. So I take e to the power x common. If I take an e to the power x common and I have got, and then I take a 5 common, I can write cos 5x minus sine 5x. Okay. No, not that. Not that. This is, you've got a 5 here also. So this becomes negative 25 e to the power x sine 5x plus 5 cos 5x e to the power x plus 5 e to the power x cos 5x plus e to the power x sine 5x. Now let us clear everything. 5 cos 5 cos, this will make it 10 e to the power x cos 5x, and I have got e to the power x sine 5x, and sine 5x 25. So this becomes minus 24 e to the power x sine 5x. Check just once. Mm-hmm.
2 e to the power x whole minus 12 sine 5.
2 e to the power x. Same. No. (24) and 10. If you do the HCF, then it is 2. 2 5s are 10. 2. 12 2s are 24. So I think the NCERT answer will be 2 e to the power x 5 cos 5x minus 12 sine 5x. Is it coming into your grip now slowly? Okay. Shall we try one more? E to the power 6x cos 3x. E to the power 6x. Now this is again interesting. Y is equal to e to the power 6x cos 3x. Now even the 6x is also going to have a chain differentiation, e to the power 6x. So let's write the first derivative. The first derivative is the first function into sine 3x multiplied by a 3 plus cos 3x. Differential of e to the power 6x is e to the power 6x multiplied by a 6. Did you understand this step or not? Okay. So let us clean this step. The step will be 6 e to the power 6x cos 3x minus 3 e to the power, yeah, tell me anything. Yeah, let's see the first function. Hold on, I brought that positive term on the first side. So this is my y prime. This is the first derivative. Shall we go ahead now with the second derivative? Okay. Let's go with the second derivative. So 6 common, then first function integral derivative of second function into a 3, right? Then second function, right, into e to the power 6x multiplied by a 6. This is first part over, minus a 3 common for the second part, e to the power 6x cos 6x into 6 plus sine 6x e to the power 6x into a 6. Perfect. Which gives me now let's multiply everything. 6 into 3 is 18. So a negative 18 e to the power 6x sine 3x plus 6 into 6 is 36 e to the power 6x cos 3x. Then I have 6 into 3 is 18. So I have a negative 18 e to the power 6x cos, why am I writing 3x? Not cos 3x, right? This is not 6x, this is 3x, cos 3x, sorry. And this is also sine 3x. Sine 3x. Okay. So here we get a 18, 6, 3, 18 e to the power x cos 3x. And I get a negative 6, 3 is 18. I get a negative 18 e to the power 6x sine 3x. precisely, which means that these two are going to cancel each other. Oh no, they are both are negative. Sorry, both are negative, right? So this will be 18 to 36. 36 e to the power 6x sine 3x. And here I will get a positive 18 e to the power 6x cos 3x. 36 and 18. So you can take out 18 common from here. So 18 e to the power 6x can be taken common. I have cos 3x and negative 2 sine 3x y double prime. Has it tallied? All you need to be just careful with minus plus, that's all. Otherwise, there's no more chances that you'll get it wrong. Just check.
Nine e to the power 6x cos 3x.
Huh? We are doing question number 7.
Showing 9 e to the power 6.
Okay, let's check. Somewhere we have gone wrong. Let's check this. Is the question correct? Have I written it correctly? E to the power 6x cos 3x. Okay, let's differentiate. First function is e to the power 6x. Cos of 3x is minus sine 3x into 3. That's fine. Plus cos 3x e to the power 6x into 6. This step is correct. Okay, this step is correct. Which means I have 6 e to the power 6x cos 3x, which is fine. And I have negative 3 e to the power 6x, negative 3 e to the power 6x sine 3x. This step is also correct. Right? Let's do the differentiation of this. 6 common. This into differentiation is minus sine 3x into 3. This part is correct. Okay? Plus cos 3x e to the power 6x into 6. Yeah. We went wrong somewhere here. Yeah, our calculation is wrong. That's all. Okay, so this is 6. 6 thing. Okay, fine. Minus 3 e to the power 6x into cos of sine 3x. 1 minute, huh? Sine 3x. 1 minute. Y prime is 6 cos 3x minus 3 e to the power something. Okay, fine. Which one? No, that's what I'm just checking. 1 minute, huh? I'm at here negative 3. When the pleasure goes away. Okay, negative 3 is common. So e to the power 6x, which becomes cos 3x into this will be 3. These are the place. I wrote 6x, nah? That's where the mistake happened. This is 3. Then plus sine 3x, sine 3 first function cos 3. Okay, then second function is sine 3x into e to the power 6x into 6. This is fine. Is this step correct? I think this is correct. Okay, now let's proceed further. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 e to the power x sine 3x, which is fine. 6 into 6 is 36 e to the power 6x cos 3x. That's fine. 3 into 3 gives me 9. So this will give me 9 e to the power 6x cos 3x. This should be 9. This should be 9. Okay. Which one?
9 e to the power 6x.
No, this will be 3, 6, 18.
Yeah, 3 cos 3x the 9.
Which one?
It's minus.
No, this is fine. Is this wrong? No, that's what I'm doing. 1 minute. This is correct. This is correct so far. So 3 multiplied by 6 gives you 18. Okay. Got it. So minus 9, it should be here. The minus 9 should be here. And that is 18. That is perfect, right? 18 is minus 36 and 36, 9. So this should be, there are some changes here. Yeah. Okay, this is minus 9 e to the power x, and 9 and 36 gives you 27 e to the power. 27 and 36, what should be the HCF? 36. 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27. So 4 is the HCF. So 4 e to the power, am I correct now? 6x. So this will be negative 9.
9 equals
No, not 4. This should be 9. 9 4s are 36, right? So this is 36. So this will be 9. 9. So 9 makes it, here it will be 4, and here it will be 3. Is it telling now? Sure. Next one. Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Y equal to tan inverse x. So y prime is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Perfect. 1 by 1 plus x square can be written as 1 plus x square to the power minus 1. Now see how I differentiate this. How to differentiate this? Y double prime is nothing but d2y by dx2, which is equal to dd 1 plus x square 1 plus x square to the power minus 1 into d of 1 plus x square by dx by dx. Right? So let's see. This will be nx n minus 1, 1 plus x square to the power minus 2. And if you do differentiation of this, then how much do you get? ddx of 1 is 0, and this should give you 2x. So finally your answer should be negative 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. Check now with your book. Okay. Log of log cos x. Y equal to log of log cos, log of log x and log of log x. So first derivative should be very easy. Can you apply chain rule? So it will be 1 by log x into 1 by x. Did you understand this? dd log x of log x is 1 by log x into d log x. That is 1 by x. Sure. Shall we do y double prime? Now this thing can be written as log x to the power minus 1 into x to the power minus 1, which can be overall. Now how would you like to do? Now see, you can do it in 2-3 different ways. You can bring this inside x log x minus 1 and do a complete chain. Then also you will have products. So you can leave this 2 as 2 products and then do the product differentiation. Now how to do it? Don't just get confused. First function log x to the power minus 1 into differential of x to the power minus 1. What is differential of x to the power minus 1? Minus x to the power minus 2. So this is minus x to the power minus 2. Very good. Then plus x to the power minus 1. Now you have to differentiate this. So this differentiation will be minus log x minus 2 into ddx of log x, which is 1 upon x. Did you understand? n x n minus 1 into this. Now let us clean this. How do you clean it? This fellow is nothing but 1 upon log x, and this fellow is being multiplied by minus 1 by x square. Very good. Then we have a 1 by x. Okay, x inverse and x, these two cancel each other actually. These two will cancel each other. X inverse, x minus and x cancel each other. So I have minus of 1 by log x. So it will is multiplied. It's multiplied. Yes, it's multiplied. So it will be 1 by x square, right, into negative 1 by log x whole square. Are we fine? Okay. So I think we can take common as 1 upon x square into log x. We can take this as common. So here I will have negative 1. Here I will just have a negative 1. And here I will have negative 1 by log x. X square log x. Check the answer once, Neha.
Negative 1 plus log x by x log x whole square.
X log x.
Whole square.
Negative, what did they write? Negative, tell me.
Plus log x by
Negative of 1 plus log x. Okay. That is correct. So this becomes 1 by x square log x, right? Take the negative outside. Inside it will be log x. It will be 1 plus log x. So your final answer would be negative 1 by x square log x whole square 1 plus log x. Is this the answer? Negative 1 by x square log x whole square into 1 plus log x. Correct. All you need is little bit of patience. Chalo. Next one. Sine log x. Y is equal to sine of log x. Let's differentiate y prime. Y prime will be cos of log x into 1 by x. Did you understand this? Cos log x into 1 by x. Shall we go ahead now? Okay, now this is tricky. This is your first function. The first function itself has a chain inside it. So the first function will be first function cos x log x into differential of second function, and by now you know it, this is minus 1 by x square. X to the power minus 1, differential is minus 1 by x square. Fine. Then we have our 1 by x and open it up into differential of this, which will be negative sine log x into 1 by x. Perfect. Right. So what do you have? You have a negative cos x log x by x square. Cos of log x. Sorry, cos of log x. It's so much here. Negative cos of log x is a negative cos of log x by x square, and here also we have a negative sine of log x upon x square. Don't take these as common, because these are the angles. So a negative 1 by x square, if it is taken common, cos of log x plus sine of log x. Tick. Our next question is a proof question. It says, if y is equal to 5x, if y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3, if y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, we need to prove d2y by dx2 plus y equal to 0. This is what we need to prove. Fine. So let's find out dy by dx. dy by dx is -5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Okay, bacha? Then let's find out what is d2y by dx2. -5 cos x, +3 sin x. With this, we are going to add y, which is 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. If you add this, you get a 0. Proved. Next, y is cos inverse x. Find d2y by dx2 in terms of y alone. Okay, this is easy. Y is equal to cos inverse x. You need to show the value of d2y by dx2 in terms of y. Means whatever you get, you'll get a Jing Bang cos inverse x. You have to just replace it with y. Okay. Show d2y by dx2 in terms of y. In terms of y. In terms of y. Okay. dy by dx is -1 by 1 minus x square, a root. Fine. Differential of cos inverse x. If you differentiate cos inverse x, it is -1 by 1 minus x square. Now, how do you do the second differential? And then you have to show it in terms of cos inverse x. कैसे करोगे इसको? In terms of y alone. In terms of y alone. This one, just park it for 1 minute, huh? Just park this for 1 minute. Let me finish the other one. So 13 is y equal to 3 cos log x. You, huh?
No.
No, that will be checked. Don't worry, we'll do it together. 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. This is what is the statement. I need to show. You need to show x square y2. Y2 means second derivative, huh, bacha? X square y2 plus xy1 plus y 0. So let's find out first y1 and y2. Come, let's find out y1. Y1 is equal to 3 -3 sin log x, okay, into 1 by x, and here we will have a 4 cos log x into a 1 by x. Okay. Now we need to find out, which can be simplified as -3 sin log x by x plus 4 cos log x by x. I'm going to find out y2. Y2. This is your first function. So -3 is taken outside. The first function is sine of log x into second function. Now see, the second function is x to the power -1, whose value will be -1 by x square. Okay, plus second function. You can also use product rule, sorry, quotient rule. You can put the x square straight away. That way also you can do. Okay, second function into the first function. So the first function will be cos of log x into 1 by x. Check this. Is this clear? Negative 3 taken outside. First function into differential of second plus second function into differential of the first. Similarly here, 4 is taken outside. Okay. I have a negative sine log x into a 1 by x. No, sorry. 4 is taken outside. Then first function cos log x multiplied by differential of second function plus second function into negative sine. So basically this sign will become negative. So this whole sign will become negative. 1 by x square sine log x into 1 upon x. Take bacha. Shall we clean this up a bit? So if you clean it, what do you get? You have a sine log x term, you have a sine log x term there also. So we have 3 sine log x by x square. Okay. 3 sine log x by x square. And this is 4 oh, so much of mistake here. And this is 4 sine log x by x square minus 4 sine log x by x square. So these two parts have been taken care of. Then I have a negative 3 cos log x by x square, and here I have a positive 4 cos log x by, so which one is negative? Yeah, this negative will get multiplied, sorry, so this will be negative. Fine. So finally we get 3 and 4 is negative sine log x by x square, and here it is negative 3 negative 4, so it should be negative 7 cos log x by x square. So now we have to do our x square into y2. Okay, x square into y2. So if you do x square into y2, this x squares cancel, so it becomes negative sine log x. I'm trying to do this step. Negative sine log x minus 7 cos log x. This part is done. Plus xy1. xy1. X multiplied by y1. Okay. So this gives me a negative 3 sine log, negative 3 sine log x and a positive 4 cos log x, a positive 4 cos of log x. Okay. With that you should add the y also. So the y is 3 cos log x, 3 cos, we are correct, plus 4 sine, plus 4 sine log x. See the happiness? Correct. Shall we do this problem? Number 12. Let's give a try. 12, I think proceeding this way will not fetch us. So let's make it an implicit function. We can write x is equal to cos y, right? Sine 30 equal to half. So sine inverse half is equal to 30. Did you understand this? Shall we take ddx of both sides now? Okay. If you differentiate both sides with respect to x, you are differentiating both sides with respect to x. So we write ddx of x is equal to ddx of what? One minute, huh? Differentiate both sides with respect to, say, y. Let's differentiate both sides with respect to y. Let's do it. ddy of x is equal to ddy of cos y. I'm differentiating both sides with respect to y. Okay. So I get dx by dy is equal to minus sine y. Okay. So I can write dy by dx is equal to minus cosec y. If I invert it, I think now job has become easy. d2y by dx2 is equal to ddx of minus cosec y, which is take the minus out and take dy of cosec y into dy by dx. Okay. What will this yield you? It will yield you negative ddx of cosec x. ddx of cosec, what is ddx of sec x? Sec x tan x. So ddx of cosec x is cosec x cot x, but with a minus. And that minus will cancel this. So it becomes cosec y cot y. And you have a dy by dx also. And dy by dx is what? Negative cosec y. dy by dx is negative cosec y. Everything should be y. So your answer becomes negative cot y cosec square y. Is this the answer? Hey, can you all try few from here? Otherwise, nothing from parametric I'll be able to clear. If you have any doubt in parametric, no more stretching classes. This one I hope you have understood now. Any one problem you pick up, I'll do of second order and then we go to parametric. 15 minutes only we have. We have done up till 13. Do you think if you try, you'll be able to do? Huh? They are all similar. चलो parametric देखते हैं. नहीं होता है तो just put it on Teams. I'll do it for you. Parametric, parametric, parametric. Logarithm, you do? The previous one. Okay. Parametric. Initial ones are all easy. Let's pick up. Let's go in. What do you call? Galloping. One you do, two I'll do. Okay. Considering time left, I'll go by the events. 2, 4, 6, 8 in that manner. You have to do. You have to do. कितना time लगता है घर में बैठ के करो ना. So question number 2. Tell me 2. X equal to A cos theta, B cos or B sin.
Cos.
Both are cos. Very easy. Differentiate with respect to theta. So your dx by d theta becomes negative A sin theta. dy by d theta, this becomes negative b sine theta. So from here you get the value of dx, negative a sine theta d theta. From here you get dy, negative b sine theta d theta. Now you have to do a dy by dx, which is very easy. Negative b sine theta d theta divided by negative a cos theta d theta. D theta cancel, negative negative cancel, negative b tan theta. Sorry, positive b tan. Next is question number 4. थोड़ा recollect हो रहा है? Yeah. This will be in two different functions. Tell me question number 4. X is equal to some 4t, right?
This is 40, y is 4.
Y is equal to 4 by t. 4 by t. Array. Y is equal to 4 by t. What is so difficult? Here we'll differentiate with respect to t. This is equal to 4 dy by dt. This is equal to 4 by negative 4 by t square. 1 by t is differentiation. 1 by x was negative 1 by x square. So 1 by t is clear. So now you have to do dy by dx. So dy is negative 4 by t square divided by 4, which is equal to negative 4 by t square into 1 by 4. So it is 1 by t square. Clear?
So the first one will be negative.
This is negative a. Both are costs, na? So both negative derivative will be negative negative. That's why I cross-checked with you. You remember I was asking, is it sine or cos? Yeah. Chale? 2 kya, 4 kya? Now my duty is to give you 6. Tell me what is 6?
Theta minus sin theta.
Uh-huh.
And y is equal to a whole multiplied by 1 plus cos.
Very easy. Dx by d theta. A remains common. Dd theta of theta is 1 minus cos theta. Dy by d theta. A remains common. Yeah. A remains common. 0 minus sine theta. Okay? Okay. Now you have to do what? Dy by dx. What is the dy value? Dy value is negative a sine theta divided by a into 1 minus cos theta. A and a cancels. So finally your answer becomes negative, or you can write it as sine theta divided by cos theta minus 1. Simple. Six. Now 8. 8. You just have to have patience. That's all. 8 is
This is
okay. X is equal to a cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Correct? Y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. क्या मुश्किल है बोलो? You have actually done tougher than this in the previous exercise. So our job is to do dx by d theta. Don't lose patience. A dx by how can it be? Hey, you told me something wrong. Y equal to a sin t. That's what I'm thinking. Y is equal to a sin t. Y is equal to a sin t. Right? A. So let's differentiate. cos t will give me a negative sin t. Right? Now differentiate this. This is 1 by tan of t by 2. Then ddx of tan of t by 2 is a sec square t by 2. Right? Then ddx of t by 2 is a half. Check. Check, check, check. Did you get this? Shall we clean it a bit? Let's clean it. So this is a negative sin t sec square. Beta, what is sec square? Sec square is 1 by cos, and tan is like cot t by 2. Cos by sin. Was a clean कर लें इसको? Tan is like cot, which is cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2. Let's see if some cancellation happens. Sec square is 1 by cos square t by 2, and this is multiplied by a half. They have deliberately given you the half for some magic things to happen. This cancels this. 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is a minus sin t plus, okay, 2 sin theta cos theta. So this becomes what? Sin 2 theta. So this will become sin t 2 into t by 2. So this is sin t. ये समझ में आया? A minus sin square t plus 1 by sin t. बच्चा 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos square t by sin t. So we can write it as a cot t cosec t. देखो तो cos by sin. Oh, cos. A, we can write it as a cos t cot t. Now just see. Sin square t minus 1 minus sin square t is cos square t. So a cos square t, cos by sin t is cot t into cos t. Okay. And dy by dt is a cos t. Pakka? So now dy by dx is a cos t divided by a cos t cot t. So a cos t or cot t, this is tan t. देखो तो जरा इसका आंसर. This is number 8. ठीक है ना? After 8, my job is to give you number 10. Number 10. Can I? Number 10. 10. You have made me revise the entire differentiation chapter. All problems. Good exercise. What is the question? Tell me. X is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. A into sin theta
minus theta cos theta.
Very good. Let's do dx by d theta. So this is a cos common, negative sin theta. Okay, negative sin theta, and here chain product rule will open up. Theta cos theta plus sin theta. Did you understand this? Theta cos theta plus sin theta, and this is 1. And let's do this side. Dy by dx, d theta is equal to a common cos theta minus again bracket open, theta minus sin theta, and again plus cos theta into 1. So this becomes a minus and plus goes away. A theta cos theta. This cancels. A theta cos theta dx by d theta. Let's see dy by d theta. Now here we get this minus will multiply this and this will become plus. So this minus and this gets cancelled. So this becomes a theta sine theta. All right. Combining both, dy by dx will become a theta will cancel. It will become tan theta. Here also answer is tan. Matches? So I fulfilled my promise. You've got 4 minutes more. If you want something from logarithmic exercise, I can do in galloping manner. Logarithmic is easy actually, much more easier. But give it a try, I would say. If there are any problems, put it up on Teams or on our WhatsApp forum also. You can just WhatsApp the image of that problem. We'll do it for you. Okay? Our next problem will be problems which will be from physics, equations of motion, simple interest, application of derivatives. So here we will get how is the growth rate of population. If the population is growing, then dp by dt will be positive. If the population growth rate is declining, then dp by dt will be negative. So based like that, we have to solve our problems. Okay? So we come to the conclusion of the first book. Pretty good progress, as long as you are doing.